Everyone is talking about AI right now. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to utilize Chat GPT to come up with an endless stream of ideas for your content marketing. If you're ready, let's dive in. So when you're logged into Chat GPT, you're going to give it a prompt, and I want you to see what this prompt says. Let's pretend that you're a chiropractor and you're trying to come up with content marketing ideas. This is the prompt. Please provide some fears, frustrations, goals, and aspirations that someone would have when considering going to a chiropractor for the first time. So what ChatGPT put out was, here are some of the fears. Fear of the unknown, fear of pain, fear of worsening the condition. What are some frustrations? Chronic pain or discomfort, limited mobility, lack of progress with traditional medicine. What are some of the goals of people who would consider going to a chiropractor? Pain relief, improved mobility and flexibility, holistic approach to wellness. And what are some of their aspirations? Overall well-being, prevention and maintenance, and empowerment and self-care. So right here, we've got 12 different threads to pull on when it comes to our content marketing. We could talk about the fear of the unknown. This would be someone who has never been to a chiropractor before, not necessarily to this chiropractor, but to any chiropractor. So you could actually you could use ChatGPT to create a lead magnet specifically for patients who have never been to a chiropractor and talk about, mention this fear and then how that fear is unfounded. Maybe fear of pain. Some people may not know that a chiropractic adjustment doesn't hurt. It's not uncomfortable. So you could create content around that. You could create content around goals too. It's always good if someone is in pain to talk about pain relief and how exactly you go about doing that, or improved mobility and flexibility, or the holistic aspect of chiropractic. Let me show you another example. I'm going to put in another prompt, very similar. This is for a general contractor. So this is what the prompt says. Please provide some fears, frustrations, goals, and aspirations that someone would have when they are deciding to hire a general contractor for the first time. And let's see what ChatGPT puts out. So some of the fears: poor quality work, going over budget, communication issues. So right here, I have a bunch of ideas running around in my head. Poor quality of work. How do you overcome that in your content? Maybe by providing testimonials or a case study or before and after pictures. Going over budget. This could be an article on your blog. This could be multiple social media posts. Communication issues. You can talk about how you communicate with your clients to make sure that everybody's on the same page. What are some frustrations? Lack of experience or knowledge. So people might feel frustrated if they lack the necessary understanding of a construction process and find it challenging to make informed decisions. So in your content, you could lay out for people exactly what your process is, what the process for a specific renovation is. Unreliable contractors. This is a big thing in this industry. There's a lot of unreliable contractors, fly by night. So you can set yourself apart from that by talking about how you're reliable, and maybe back that up with some social proof. Back that up with, this could tie into the construction process with a timeline, things like that. Some of the goals: successful project completion, quality craftsmanship, timely project completion. This kind of ties in with some of these other ones. Aspirations, professional guidance. Well, right there, this could be a series of articles, blog posts, social media posts just on, because individuals may aspire to work with a general contractor who can provide professional expertise, guidance, and recommendations. So this is all things that you can add these to your marketing, whether they be ads, blog posts, social media posts, videos that you do. It really gives you an unlimited amount. And what you can do with ChatGPT is you can ask it to expand on, like, how would we overcome the fear of these three items? And this will give you even more, it'll dive deeper into more content ideas for you to create. So you don't have to start with a blank slate. You can start with a prompt like this. Please provide some fears, frustrations, goals, and aspirations that someone would have when blank. And you can change this prompt up if you're a general contractor And it could be for a kitchen renovation, or it could be for an addition. For chiropractors, it could be talking about trying to alleviate specific issues like sciatica or some other problem that they may be having. And let Chat GPT pull the information and give you a place to start. So I hope this information was helpful. I'll see you next time.